We're at the end of this day, and we're going to take a look what we've learned today, and then we're going to give feedback to us teachers. But you'll see it's a mix of recap and evaluating at the same time. Please keep off your cameras in this session for those that know me. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to do an evaluation, and I will ask you in the end to even follow me. So I go to the course website. At the Python session, I go to evaluation, and there's an evaluation form here. I'll copy it in the chat too, and we'll be using it to summarize the day. And I'll show you now. You can, like if you open it up, you can already follow me. You can scroll down and fill in stuff. This is the evaluation form. I encourage you to fill it in because it's important to us to improve our course. But for a summary, I want to scroll down to number 12. Right, so I'm now zoom it in a bit. So 12 is a nice summary of what we have been doing today. So this question is about your confidence in some statements from where you have no idea, you have no confidence, you have a bit confidence you can do it, to I absolutely can do this. And these confidences show how confident we've made you in what we wanted to teach you today. And just going through them as a recap of the day. So maybe you can now use the module system to load a specific version of Python. And if you have no idea what this is, then this is the circle to go. If you absolutely can do this, then this is the circle to go. We have run Python on an HPC cluster. We have used the Python interpreter on an MPC cluster. You can start and run a Python script just from the command line. You have been able to determine the version of a Python package or Python packages that you've loaded. You found out that the Python package was installed, yes or no. You can load a module that has some kind of Python package in it. You have been able to install a Python package yourself. You have been able to work with a VM virtual environment. You created it, activated, worked that, and deactivated it. You can import and export such an environment. You can write a bash script. And we've submitted a bash script to the job scheduler. And we've written a bash script that uses GPUs. We have started an interactive session, so we didn't strain the login node. You could see that you were in an interactive session. And you've started an interactive session with multiple cores. You can check that you're in an interactive session with multiple cores. You started Jupyter. You started code that uses parallel code. And you've measured the effect of using more nodes for parallel code. So maybe not all of these things you've seen today, or maybe we left them out. So please fill in. I have no idea. But that is a summary of today. So me, on behalf of all the teachers, we ask you to fill in the evaluation form. That would be very helpful to us. We publish the results soon online. You can find all the results on this website too. That would help us and future students to make this course better. If you've done filling this in, you can either go, you can say bye, wave your hand, say bye in the chat, or you start talking to us and we'll answer your question. All right?